Hi, I'm Francesco Vecchia, and today I'm going to be talking about the top most popular database management systems available on the market. So, database management systems are used to help use the information inside of the database instead of having it just sit there. And so, four of the most popular companies on the market today or the most popular systems on the market today are Oracle, MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, and SAP HANA. So all four of these are very useful in different ways. So different companies, depending on their size or what type of company they are, would use each of these. So I'm going to just talk about the pros and cons of each of these four systems. So first off is Oracle, and Oracle is definitely the most popular system in this field. So Oracle is very well known and they're very innovative. So they're always at the top of all the trends and they always come out with the newest functions before everyone else. Also, Oracle's systems are known for being very robust, so they can handle very large amounts of data at a time. And because of that, Oracle's database management systems are often used for bigger companies like corporations because they're made to handle that large amount of data. So these Oracle systems have many tools and can basically do just about any function you can think of. So it is definitely the most complete database management system out there. Now, coming with such a complete database management system, there are obviously going to be some cons. So for Oracle's system, it is very expensive. It's one of the most expensive ones out there. And then also because it is designed to handle so much data, it uses a lot of resources when it's being operated. So the second one I'll talk about is MySQL. MySQL, one of the biggest pros about it is that it's free and it is far and away one of the best free database management systems available on the market. So for a free system, you would expect it to be very limited in its functions. However, MySQL actually has a wide array of functions for a free database. And then one of the great things about MySQL is that it's very applicable to other databases. So you can take the things that you have stored in MySQL and it can be applied to your Oracle database or your Microsoft SQL database management system or any of those other databases. So the cons of MySQL are, since it's free, there's a lot of work that you must do yourself. So many times it's very tedious and it may take more time to do certain things that other systems can just do automatically. And then also the free version of MySQL does not support XML or OLAP, and those are two very popular languages, two very popular text languages. So MySQL doesn't provide that. However, it does have costlier versions that do, but the free version, which is most popular, does not work with those two languages. Now the next one is Microsoft SQL Server. So the pros of this is that Microsoft SQL Server is very fast and very stable. And then one of the most impressive things about this management system is that it gives you the ability to adjust and track the performance of it. So because of this, since you can track your performance levels and adjust it to your liking, you are able to try to preserve your resources that are being used. And then also Microsoft SQL Server has a very good mobile platform and works well on other mobile devices. And then it works very, very well with all other Microsoft products on the market. The cons of the Microsoft SQL Server is that it is pretty expensive. It's definitely on the upper end. And then it also, even though you can adjust your performance levels, it still uses a comparatively large amount of resources. And then one of the other downfalls to Microsoft SQL Server is that it isn't the most efficient at importing files from other databases. Now the last one I'm going to be talking about today is SAP HANA. Now SAP HANA is not necessarily one of the top management systems available at the moment. However, it is an up-and-coming database management system and it has many new features. So SAP HANA supports all text languages and it uses a tactic called compression that reduces the resources that are required to run the system. Also with SAP HANA, the data is stored in a memory in a way which reduces the access time needed to access the database. SAP HANA also includes an inventory management feature, which is not included in many of these other database management systems. So that's pretty cool that it can also be used to track your inventory management in an efficient way. And then it is also very applicable to all other applications and can be transferred and used in many different ways. Now, SAP HANA has a very high licensing cost at the moment, and part of that is because it is also a very new up-and-coming product. SAP isn't necessarily a new company, but they haven't always been excelling in this industry, and this is a relatively new product. And so also what comes with such a new product is that there are frequent patches and updates that happen over and over. So those are 4 very popular database management system products on the market today. And yeah, thank you.